Desiring machines are conceptual frameworks that operate in various ways depending on the aspect being examined. Picture a machine cutting slices from a continuous material flow similar to ham slicer. Each machine is linked to a constant material flow known as hile, which it slices into. Hile represents the uninterrupted continuity that any type of matter ideally possesses. Every machine acts as a disruption in the flow concerning the machine it is connected to, yet simultaneously acts as a flow itself or generates a flow in connection with another machine. This illustrates the law of the production of production. At the pinnacle of the process, there are disruptions and flows from which desire emerges, shaping its productivity and consistently integrating the production process with the product. In Bruno Bettelheim's research, The Empty Fortress, he portrays a young child who can only function eating, sleeping, excreting when connected to machines equipped with motors, wires, lights, carburetors, propellers, and steering wheels. Few examples shed as much light on the realm of desiring production, demonstrating how breakdowns are an inherent aspect of functioning and how disconnection is integral to mechanical links. Numerous inquiries arise regarding how the production of desire, the child's desiring machines, began to operate endlessly in a vacuum, eventually producing the child machine. How did this process become an end in itself, or how did the child become a victim of an untimely interruption or severe frustration? Only through the body without organs, senses shut off, can something be produced, counterproduced, or diverted, frustrating the entire production process despite still being part of it. However, the machine persists as desire, a manifestation of desire marked by a continuous cycle of disruptions and breaks. Desiring machines are symbolic systems that operate differently depending on the aspect being examined. They function as interruptions in the flow concerning the machine they are linked to, yet simultaneously act as flows themselves or generate flows in relation to another connected machine. Lacan delved into the intricate realm of the unconscious code, encompassing entire chains or multiple chains of meaning. These chains, termed signifying chains, are composed of signs, yet the signs themselves lack inherent significance. The code resembles an expansive polyvocal structure, with the nature of the signs within it being of little importance. The body without organs serves as the foundation, and each chain operates across all levels and engages in various connections. The disjunctions present in these chains do not entail any exclusion, as exclusions emerge solely through inhibitors and repressors that ultimately define a specific individual subject. No chain is uniform. They all resemble sequences of characters from different alphabets, with fragments of other chains intertwining to extract surplus value. This system of shifting along certain paths and random selections resembles to Markov chain, leading to partially dependent chance-based phenomena. The recordings and transmissions from internal codes, external stimuli, and different parts of the organism intersect, flowing the branching paths of the great disjunctive synthesis endlessly. If this constitutes a system of writing, it is writing inscribed on the very surface of reality, a peculiarly polyvocal form of writing, never strictly linear or discursive. The primary function of the sign is to stimulate desire, directing it in various directions. These chains serve as continual detachments or schisors, valuable in their own right and not to be filled in. Another characteristic of the machine is breaks that are detachments distinct from breaks that involve slicing off. Scissors involve heterogeneous chains and utilize detachable segments or movable stalks similar to building blocks. The concept of the desiring machine explores the process of desire in the material world. It is based on the notion that elements within a chain arrange themselves spontaneously in an ordinal series, similar to a lottery effect. Derived from the French word "skis", meaning to split, to cleave, or to divide, these bricks or blocks are integral components of desiring machine.